Let's see what we can do, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we can do. I don't think we're hitting the bottom right now. Oh, dang it, dude. Dang it, dude. There we go, 2 missed hook sets. Because of this absolutely ginormous hook. Oh, I'm such a fool. Oh, there we go. Farting with my camera. Check it out. See, these fish just want something a little bit more substantial. They're not farting with the flies today. Okay, settle down, buddy boy. Come on, where the chunks at? Nice, there's a nice little knot. Nice little knot. All right, let's bomb this out there. These fish are out there, man. So let's go get them. All right, there we go. Got some distance. This is a great way to practice trout fishing too. I tell you. Just so you can get used to bobber down and stuff like that. Woohoo! We got a chunky chunker today. Stop flapping, buddy. Guys, look at the size of this sucker. Oh my goodness. All right. Had some luck at this spot. So today, I'm throwing the classic Ned rig. And let me tell you a trick with the Ned rig, okay? So if you're fishing a rocky river like this, you're gonna notice it gets snagged all the time, all right? Now there's one thing you can do to fix that, all right? Don't cast upstream. You see how all these rocks are moving or facing upstream? So I'm gonna cast downstream. That way my lure goes over the rock instead of catches into them, all right? So you gotta know which way the rocks face. And I'm fishing a Ned rig, and all I'm doing is I'm bouncing it. You want it to hit the bottom? You want it to hit the bottom, and then you want it to just bounce. See, I just had a bite right there. But that's how you work the Ned rig. Trust me, you might be bouncing too much. If you're not letting your Ned rig hit the bottom, you might lose a couple fish because of that. So just keep that in mind. Okay, look, bro, that's annoying. Also, my hook's probably pretty dull because I have been snagged a couple times, but we're getting good bites here. See, I was coming down these rapids and I was thinking to myself, you know, this is a great little spot right here. Oh, see, there's another one. I was like, this is a great little spot right here that I would miss if I were to just kayak down it, right? So I just found a nice little spot where there's no current and decided to cast up. So I've just got a medium 7-foot St. Croix rod, 10-pound braid with 8-pound fluorocarbon. So this thing's casting like a beauty. So it's only about a foot deep here, so I'm a little bit more confident that it's gonna drop sooner. So there we go. Look at that. All right, let's get this guy in the net. There we are, folks. Ow, his spines. Little bugger. Just a dink, you know? Anything to beat the skunk, though. So one thing that's also very important is that you're always moving spots too, you know? There was a spot that I typically catch a ton of fish at. Wasn't catching anything, and I was paddling over it, and I didn't see many smallmouth. I might have saw one or two. And I thought to myself, okay, it's a good thing I didn't really fish it. There we go, there's another one. Oh, he's coming towards me. Oh, he's flying. Another baby smallmouth. We'll take what we can get though, you know?